Yes. So today we are going to start another chapter, that is lesson 6 revision we will do today. Yesterday we had done lesson 5 revision. Today we will do lesson 6 revision, Land of Zer. We have already done this chapter. We had studied this chapter thoroughly in deep. So I'm going to give you a little briefing of this lesson before doing the written revision. We all know the location of Zer. The Zer is located near the equator. Since it is located near the equator, the climate is very hot and humid. The Zaire is also known as, this place is also known as, famous as 4 o'clock rain. Why? Because in the morning it is very hot, by the noon it gets extremely hot, evaporation occurs, and by the evening, due to so much of heat and evaporation, it rains. Every day it rains at 4 o'clock, that's why it is known as 4 o'clock rain. Then you can see in the picture, it lies near the equator. That climate we had done. Then vegetation, what type of crops and trees are found there? Since lots of rain is there, too much of rain is there throughout the year, too many dark forests are found. Too many trees, different varieties of trees are found, and they are so dark that in some trees, some forest, you the sunlight also is not able to penetrate. So in the Congo basin. So, and the forest and the trees which grow throughout the year, which remain green throughout the year, they are known as evergreen forest, because they never dry up. Why they never dry up? Since it rains the whole year, every day it rains, so trees are not able to dry only, and whole year they remain green. Forest whole year remain green, so they are known as evergreen forest. It is also known as heart of darkness. There is also known as heart of darkness. Why? I told you, because they are very thick forest present there in Zaire. Why they are thick forest there? Because of continuous rain. So when it rains in rainy season, you all know water is so good for trees, and since sunlight is also there, it is lying near the equator, sunlight is present there, then rainfall is there, plenty of water availability is there, so too many trees grows, and when too many trees grows, many forest develops there. And the forests are so dense, means so thick trees, so big trees, so vast trees are there, that at the center of the forest even the sunlight cannot penetrate. That's why it is known as the heart of darkness. Then what type of animals are found there? Basically huge and big animals are found, like rhinoceros, giraffe, okapis, then bamboos, hippopotamus. So usually big and vegetarian types of baboons, these animals are found there in the Congo basin. Then we had studied that what is the occupation of people. People basically are indulged in agriculture, farming, irrigation. Why? Because nice soil is there, water is there, forest is there, availability of land is there, so people are engaged in farming, irrigation, agriculture and activities. Then which type of crops are found? Cocoa, coffee. Okay, cocoa is coffee. Then rubber, cotton, basically cash crops are grown there. Oil palm. Then mineral and resources, it is full of cobalt, then diamonds, different types of gold, silver. So it is good there. Mining is good. Why? So many metals are found there? Because of the good quality of soil. It rains, good quality of soil is there, so different types of minerals and metals are also available. Then industries, important cities of Zaire is, capital of Zaire is Kinshasa. You should know this, remember it. Capital of Zaire is Kinshasa. Then another important city is Lumumbashi, Matandi, then Libazi. On what are the factories there? Textiles means cloth factory, then cigarette, cement, beverages means drinks, then chemicals and food processing, other factories are there. So basically main city is Kinshasa, which is the capital of Zaire. Then life of people. The life of people is the quite tall and hefty. These people are tall and hefty. You all know Africans are quite tall and they are hefty, plus dark complexion. Why they are of dark complexion? Because of the hot and humid climate all the time. They have dark complexions with short and curly hair, very short hair and curly, too much curly hair, dark complexion, tall and hefty people. They live in scattered villages, as you can see in the images also. how the people look like. The people of Zaire are fond of music and dance. Their music and dance, the tribal dance is also famous of Zaire. You can see on Google also, you can search tribal dance of Africans. They're very famous. They wear too many the jewelries. They see in the image what type of jewelry, the ornaments they are wearing. They're very fond of these ornaments, jewelry, and the dance. Nowadays, many people have migrated from rural to urban now since development is going on. So in there also many people have scattered means move on or migrated from villages to cities, means rural areas to urban areas. The pygmies live in dense jungles. Now the people, the origin people of Zaire are known as pygmies. Okay, you should know this word. Pygmies are the original inhabitants of Zaire. The original inhabitants of Zaire are pygmies. Today they are very few in number. They are short in height and still lead primitive life. The original inhabitants, pygmies, are short in height. Rest, those who are living in cities and developed places, they are tall and hefty. And the official language, French, English, and Bantu are main languages, but official language is French. Main languages are French, English, Bantu. Official language is French. Then transport and communication. Rivers there, cities has been communicated with one another through rail and roads. Water transport is the main means of transport here. Rivers there that flows throughout most of the Zaire is most waterway, important waterway. Dams are built to produce hydroelectricity. Chief seaport is Matadi. This is also important city. The name Chief Seaport Matadi. Okay, capital Kinshasa and developed city Lubumbashi. Capital Kinshasa, important city Lubumbashi, seaport Matadi. So these are the things, these are the names of the cities and places that you should remember. It can come as one mark question. All right. Official language French, important language English and Bantu. Original inhabitants Pygmies. Okay. Few animals which are found there: rhinoceros, baboons, hippopotamus, giraffe, okapis, gorillas, crocodiles, alligators. Okay, so these are the things, these are the basic main points of the chapter that should be on your fingertips. Okay, you should know few basic things because questions will be made from these important things. No messaging and no presenting in the group, please. Somebody is messaging, I'm explaining, and somebody is messaging Tarannum Hassan, Athar Singh, Shirish Agarwal. No, don't do this. Pay attention here. All right. So area selected hot and wet climate as sample study is Democratic Republic of Congo. Then Congo River is also known as Highway of Central Africa. Tropical grasslands of Zaire are called Heart of Darkness. Then name the capital of Zaire, Kinshasa. Which is the main river? Congo River. Name the shortest tribal people, Pygmies. Name the official language, French. Okay, so these type of small questions will be formed. Plus from long questions, you have to learn two questions. What are their chief resources and what are the main crops in there? All right, clear to everybody? Now your today's work is that you have to complete this lesson, read this lesson carefully. All right, again, and revise the main points again, especially the words which are written in pink color, the red color, and then do the revision work which I have given you. I'm going to give you the PDF and do the revision work in revision copy. Now every day we will be doing some or the other revision, and make sure you complete every day's revision daily. Don't leave it for the next day, otherwise you will not be able to complete. And then don't cry during exam because this revision is very important for your half yearlies. The revision which we are doing every day, the written revision, the oral revision, all this is very important. So few points are clear to you. Capital of Zaire, Kinshasa, clear. Original inhabitants of Zaire, Pygmies, clear. Then the official language of Zaire, this French, clear. Important languages English and Bantu, Yes, clear. Then few animals. Clear. Rhinoceros, hippopotamus, alligators, bamboos. Okay. Then uh, heart of darkness, highway of heart of darkness is clear. Why it is called heart of darkness? Okay. Then what type of minerals are found there? This is clear. And why the forests are called the evergreen? Why the forests are called evergreen forest? This is also clear because it rains throughout the year. And then is this also clear? Why the there is known as 4 o'clock rainfall? Why the rainfall there is called 4 o'clock rainfall? Okay, so these are the few key points, basic points that should be clear to you and should be on your fingertips. You should know when I'm going to talk about Zaire, that means these are 4 5 points that should immediately click into your mind. That okay, Zaire, capital this, important city this, seaport this, official language this, original inhabitant this. These were the animals, these were the minerals, and these were the type of plants found there, trees found there. Important thing: 4 o'clock rainfall, heart of darkness, highway, like this. Okay, clear. Now I'm going to give you the PDF. You have to do this in your revision copy today itself, just now. Okay, Rishita.